Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also lost a key area of support at around the $0.02436 mark, which is now acting as resistance, and also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where in my previous videos I said to you that we had seen a bit of a breakdown to the lower side over here, obeying the Elliot structures, having the wave 2 down here fully maximizing its minimum target areas, and all that played out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave. And now my primary scenario has been that whatever we have been seeing was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and this move to the upside has also fully maximized our minimum retracement, that is our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 that I gave you by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave and its minimum target areas at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02586 mark. We fully maximized in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.02661 mark. And having seen the high for this wave 3, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4. And according to the Elliot wave guidelines, the wave 4 should not retrace into the wave 1 high, and you can see that in this movement over here, this fourth wave has now managed to get into the wave 1 territory, and that now means that this Elliot wave structure has now hit its invalidation point. And because of that, in this video I'll be removing this Elliot wave structure from my charts and give you an alternative scenario here on the Vechain chart. And before I do so, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me now to give you the alternative scenario to this move that we have been seeing over here, where we can term this whole structure that is from the low that we made on the 23rd of March, which is down here at around the $0.019 mark, which is a move that I've been terming as a 5-wave structure to the upside, completing that first wave and also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. We can term this whole structure giving us a peak at around the $0.02662 mark as the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. So we can term this whole structure as a wave 1, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is now a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 before we can start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upside, and giving you a minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 as a maximum, and I can mark that target area here on the charts, which lies between the $0.02305 mark and the $0.02097 mark. And you can see that at the time of this recording we are trading slightly above the fib level 0.5, and the moment we lose the fib level 0.5, that move will be getting us into the golden region over here between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is a perfect area where we can see a turnaround to the upside and start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. But in case the breakdown continues further, there are chances of fully maximizing the fib level 0.78, which lies at around the $0.02097 mark. So we need to have that in mind, and those are my breakdown targets here on the Vechain chart. And in case Bitcoin is able to also recover, there are chances that all these other altcoins are also going to be able to get back into the recovery phase and continue gearing up in the formation of those wave 3s. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 38 mark. meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices, but in case the breakdown continues, that will still be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross suggesting higher prices, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.